Dear respected dental affiliates. Hi, I am Zolo, part of an elite group of ICE50 avatars to present ICE50, the first AI video dental education app on the planet, CDA, ADA, and C.E.R.P certified for all required 50C units. User can communicate through live chat during any of the video lectures by renowned attorneys, financial advisors to include Bank of America and universities to include Boston U, Tufts, Harvard, Tokyo, and UCLA Schools of Dentistry, plus premier scientific publications presented in American and international dental research meetings. Our areas of expertise include chart documentations, timing of informed consents, risk management, and real court cases, so others failing hindsight becomes your successful foresight to diminish likelihood of malpractice. ICE50 is extremely user-friendly with a 60-second video tutorial. Get CE units directly from your iPhone or web without having to deal with travel, parking, excessive fees, difficult exams, and headaches. We would like to offer you an incentive for dentists to become more familiar with your company by giving you a promo code FREE5 so dentists can receive 5 CE units free when they sign up with ICE50. We look forward to discussing this win-win collaboration. Respectfully, Zolo. ICE50 Avatar.